Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm gonna let you follow me today. I got some work I have to do. My Garvee log tongs, we got to put them to use. Got a bunch of logs to move because we're getting ready to get a bulldozer in here and flatten out a little bit of land. And gonna have to have my music, so we are going to be playing music on my headset, protect my ears, and you can follow along. Today's video is brought to you by PROHEAR. This is impressive. Let me tell you, the Bluetooth, my phone that it's connected to is on the tractor. The tractor is 160 feet away. and you can hear it's picking it up. That's amazing coverage. And all the features on this thing, between linking to your phone, it also has radio. You can pick up stations. The ear protection is amazing. Well made, great piece of equipment. Definitely need out here for everything we use is pretty much heavy equipment and loud. Did I include my wife? She's the best piece of equipment out here. She works like a dog. She's amazing. Anyway, let's cover some features on this thing. All right, to finish up the PROHEAR, let me tell you something. First time I used them was just today, to give this a really true, honest review. I love my ear protection. I love Walker's Game Ear. The hands down, some of the best ear protection I've ever had. And sound cancellation, and Bluetooth. And let me tell you the difference. These are designed to have a volume where you can wear them on a stand and hear game coming in. That's one of their main features about this. Their Bluetooth is strong enough to pick my phone up if it's in my pocket. It does not have very good capability as far as Bluetooth. I can't knock these. I love them. They're super great and have done their job. But let me tell you now, the Bluetooth on this, and you already watched it in the video. I went out to 160 feet and was still receiving signal. And you'll see me walk up on my phone in the video. It is equipped with FM AM. It does have a safety volume setting. The cool thing about it, my walkers, I have to replace the battery. This has a charging point, and it is a Type-C. And if you have something that is not Bluetooth and you need to plug a wire into it, excuse me, you can do that also. That's super cool about these. I really like these. I will work with this headset on every job that I've got to where I have to protect my ears. And the cushions are amazing. They are a snap-in, so you can replace these ear cushions when they wear out. I don't think the Walkers has that, but I love that feature. When it comes to you in this bag. I don't know if that's real leather or not, but that's packaged really well. Very impressed. PROHEAR. Let me tell you, I will wear these every time that I need to protect my ears. I don't think you can go wrong with it. But again, thank you to PROHEAR. You sponsored this video. And if you buy them, you'll be happy.